Daytona 675. I was having problems when I was trying to start the bike. When I was pressing this button here, you only hear a clicking sound. All the lights came on in the dash, but it wouldn't start for anything. So I switched out the bulb here and I started. It blew a fuse. You have to change this fuse. So what I did was, this fuse right here, 15, I changed it out and I replaced it with this 15 here to see what was going on. After a couple of weeks, it blew the fuse again, so I bought some new fuse. So I did some research and I realized that when I switched the headlights, which is the high beam over here, because it only goes out when I put the high beam on, the light chips out. So I switched the I-beam, bought a brand new I-beam, and now fuse are all great. So now when I turn the bike on, squeeze this clutch for me, squeeze it, the bike starts. Now when I put the high beam, as you can see, is the low beam on and the high beam is not on. But when I turn it on, it works. It doesn't chips out the high beam or anything. So if you guys are having any problems, you want to check your high beam. Alright, thanks for watching. If this video helps you in any way, shape or form, if this video helps you in any way, shape or form, you can like and share. Thanks for watching.